Bourton on the water, Bourton Rovers Football Club. I'm parked for the night. One camper van was down there early this morning, but he's gone. We'll be going later on today, but look, this is what you got. The little shack, parked for the night. Little cafe in there, there's a bar. Football club's bar. And this nice area here. Go through that gate there. Walk down the country lane all the way to the bottom that comes out in Bourton on the water. Or you can walk down the roadway this way, which is what we're going to do. It's got an Elson point, it's got 2 toilets, no showers, 20 quid a night, but it's safe. Okay.